Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Bish from BPS Ramachar. Today in this session we will be discussing about the topic capital accounts of partners. As in the previous session we have discussed about P&L appropriation account, which is also called profit and loss appropriation account, and we used to prepare profit and loss appropriation account to distribute the net profit earned by the company between the partners of the firm. So here we will be studying about the capital accounts of partners. So generally there are two accounts of partners which is prepared. First is fixed capital account and second is fluctuating capital account. So here under fixed capital account there are two accounts to be maintained. First is capital account, second is current account. And in fluctuating capital only one account is prepared, which is partners capital account. So now talking about the first type of account, which is fixed capital account. Now in fixed capital account, the original capital invested by the partners remains unchanged until and unless additional capital is introduced by the partners. So here in fixed capital account we prepare capital account and current account. In capital account we generally record opening balance and the closing balance of capital introduced by the partners, and also the additional amount of capital introduced by the partner. And in current account we record all the entries related to interest on drawings, interest on capital, salaries to partners, commission to partners. All these entries are recorded in a newly opened account which is known as current account. And in fluctuating capital account, the amount of capital invested by the partner keeps on changing. Here the amount of capital keeps on changing with the time. That is why we only prepare partners capital account. And in this account we record all the opening and closing balance of capital, additional capital introduced by the partner, and also all the interest on drawings, interest on capital, salaries to the partners. These all entries are recorded on partners capital account. Now here is the format of capital account under fixed capital account method. As we know, in fixed capital account method we prepare two accounts. First is capital account, where we are recording opening balance on credit side. So here opening balance is recorded on credit side because we know capital account is a personal account. Rule for personal account is debit the receiver, credit the giver. So this is the opening balance of the capital. Capital is basically a liability for the company, and we are preparing this account on the basis of company. So here for company, capital is a liability. That is why we are recording it on credit side. So here opening balance will be recorded as buying balance carried down. And if any additional capital is introduced by the partner, it will be recorded on credit side as buying cash or bank account. This is the additional capital. On the debit side, we record if the permanent capital or permanent withdrawal of capital is done by the partner, then we record it as to cash or bank account, and balance carried down will be the closing balance of the capital. And here is the format of current account under fixed capital account method. So in current account we generally record all the entries related to the salary or commission or interest on capital to the partners, etc. So on credit side of current account we record buy balance brought down in case of credit opening balance. Cash opening balance is recorded in capital account, but credit opening balance will be recorded in current account. Second is by interest on capital, it will be recorded on credit side because here interest on capital is a liability for the company. Then by partners salary account, by partners commission account, and at last by profit and loss appropriation account. So here we will be recording the distribution of profit among the partners which we have calculated in P&L appropriation account. And here we will write if share of profit in case of profit earned by the company. If the company has beared loss, then we will write this P&L appropriation account on debit side. So in case of loss, we will record it on debit side, and in case of profit, we record it on credit side. Now, on debit side, we will record to balance brought down in case of debit opening balance. So if we are having a credit closing balance in capital account, then it will be the opening balance for the next year or in the next account, and we record it as to balance brought down. Then comes two drawings which are made against the profit. We will record this entry here on debit side because drawings is considered as an income for the company. Then interest on drawing is also considered as income, so it will be recorded on debit side. Then comes to P&L account, share of loss. This is P&L account appropriation one. And then at last, to balance carried down, this will be the balancing figure. Now here is the format of partners capital account under fluctuating capital account method. As we know, in this method we only prepare one account, which is partners capital account. Now on credit side of partners capital account, we record by balance brought down. This will be the opening balance of the capital. Then by cash or bank balance, this is the additional capital introduced by the partner. Then comes by interest on capital. It is an expense for the company. That is why we are recording it on credit side according to the personal account rule. Then by partners salary account, same, it is expense. By partners commission account, and then by profit and loss appropriation account. This will be the share of profit which will be distributed among the partners either equally or in the agreed ratio. And we record it on credit side only if there is a case of profit. Next, on debit side, we record to cash or bank account. These are the drawings against the capital. Then comes to drawings account, drawings against the profit. Then to interest on drawings, to profit and loss account. This is appropriation account, where the company has beared the loss. These losses will be beared by all the partners either equally or in the agreed ratio. And at last we record by balance carried down. This will be the closing balance of the capital. So in this session we have learned that there are two types of partners capital account. First is fixed capital account, second is fluctuating capital account. In fixed capital account we prepare two accounts. First is partners capital account, second will be current account. And in fluctuating capital account, we only prepare one account, which is partners capital account. And we have discussed the format of both the types of capital account. In the next session, we will be solving the practical question based on these types of account. That's all for today. Thank you.